Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable to you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Sometimes it seems like bad moods, bad memories, or our fears can get stuck in our brains or even our bodies. Today we will be pulling some of those yucky thoughts or feelings out of our bodies and letting them go. Imagine these yuckies as squishy and sticky blobs. Let's scan our bodies to see if we can find any there. Start by drawing your attention to your belly. Picture it as if you could see inside it like an X-ray. Sometimes, when we are nervous or uncomfortable, there can be a weird feeling in our tummies. Scan your belly now and see if you can find a yucky somewhere in your belly. Now imagine picking it out between your fingers. Notice how relieved your belly becomes. Is this a big or small yucky that you found? Imagine standing on the top of a cliff. Throw that yucky off the edge as far away from you as you can. Now imagine your whole chest in the X-ray machine, from one side to the other. See if you can find a yucky somewhere in there. It's okay if you don't have any. If you find one, pick it out and let your chest relax. Now imagine throwing it toward a huge muscular lion. Watch as he tears it up playfully with strong rows of sharp teeth and claws. Focus now on your head and your brain. There are probably a few yuckies here. Picture finding 3. Take the first one out and tie it to a rocket and launch it into outer space. Take the second one out and tie it to a helium balloon and let it drift away into the clouds. Take out the third one now and throw it into the pit of a massive volcano. Check in with your body now. Imagine it feeling lighter, calmer, and stronger. Relax deeply. Relax relax fully. And take a moment to enjoy this peaceful feeling for the remainder of the meditation. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.